Yeah, we are live, Marcus. What recording live. Yeah, new photo every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Yeah, are you ready? Today we do cross one and top 7 in a combo. Ready? See for yourself first. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. Remember, no excuses. We're doing it together. Switching the cameras. Yeah, let's go. Wherever we are. Also near there, trash. We don't care. Let's go. No excuses. Let's start. We can go with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. Let's go. Open to the left. Step to the back. And cross. And out. Top. Top. And top. Yeah. Now with the right. Opening with the right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Top. 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 Now again with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right, open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Once again, we open. Step to the back and cross. And we tap, tap, tap. Now step with the right, open, open. Step to the back. And cross and top, top, top. Yeah, last time with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the move. Yes. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. And I see that you're still with me. Amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. Cha-cha. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. Let's start with the left. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Open. Step to the back and cross. Down, down, down. Yeah. With the right. Open. Step to the back and cross. Down, down, down. Yeah. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And let's give you a small tip with the hands. You can follow the leg with the hands. Yeah, let's go. Watch for yourself. Do tap, tap, tap. Yeah, you can do it with 2 fingers or 1 finger or all the hand, whatever you want. Let's try it together. Let's go. Open, step to the back, cross, tap, tap, tap. With the right, open. Step to the back and cross and with the right. Tap, tap, tap. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And if you're the serious student, yeah, make sure to check the link to the full tutorial. Yeah, how do you do that? Check the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yes, and search for these 2 moves. Cross 1 and top 7. These are the moves that we did a combination of today. Cross 1 and top 7. Search them in the YouTube channel in the link from the bio and practice with me for free, forever for free. In the studio, these moves if you want to get serious about it. But what do you care? You have this video, right? Rewind the video, practice with me again. And make sure you do the move in the next party. Whatever party it is. Salsa, hip hop, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba, Samba. All the styles that you want. Why? Because these are universal moves. Marcus Body coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Yeah! And do these moves, this specific combo. Do it today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So, let's see you tomorrow with the new footwork, the new combination, whatever it will be. See you tomorrow.